Hi, my name is Pankaj Singh, and in this video I'm gonna talk about what affiliate marketing means, or you can say what is affiliate marketing, right? But guys, before telling this, I just want to say that guys, if you are a beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then down below I have put the link of my own ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. In that ebook, I have revealed everything that you need to know to build a solid affiliate marketing business step by step. So yes, if you are serious, then go and read my ebook, download the link. Right? So now here, without any delay, let me tell you what affiliate marketing means, or you can say what is affiliate marketing. Simply guys, in affiliate marketing, what you do, you pick affiliate link, or you can say you apply for affiliate program in your niche, right? And you grab your affiliate link and you start promoting that affiliate link on social media platform, and when someone click on your link and make purchase, you get commission, guys. This is affiliate marketing. In other words, I would say you pick someone else's product and you start promoting that product in the market, and when someone make purchase through your unique affiliate link, you make commission, guys, right? So it's like a referral marketing. You refer someone to the product owner, and they go and make purchase on the recommendation of you. So product owner give you a fixed commission, guys. So it can be like up to like 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%, 70%, and in some cases it is 100%. In the front end, right? But you don't get any commission at the back end, right? So this is affiliate marketing, guys. It's a simple, you can say, business model, right? That you can take it as a career, guys, right? Here you don't need any big investment to start your affiliate marketing business, guys, right? So it's a simple business model, guys, where you pick someone else's product in your niche, right? Niche, you can say, it's kind of like kind of a topic or subject where you have interest and where you have passion, right? So it can be like you love to talk about weight loss, right? You love to talk about diabetes, like you love to talk about sales, marketing, funnels, right? So that can be your niche, guys, right? So considering that niche, considering that subject, you pick the product that you want to promote in the market, right? So for that, you apply to their affiliate program, and when you are approved, you get a unique affiliate link, right? Or you can say it's kind of like a unique link, right? Having your username and you can say your unique ID, right? So when someone go through that link, right, through your affiliate link, and when they make purchase, right, or you can say they buy the product through your affiliate link, you make commission, guys, right? So this is simple affiliate marketing, guys, right? This is what I do, and this is what so many, you can say, marketers, those who are doing affiliate marketing, this is what they do, guys, right? So yep, this is all about affiliate marketing, guys. And yes, if you have any questions about affiliate marketing, you can ask your question down below. I will try my level best to answer you, guys, right? So yeah, and yes, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then yes, go and subscribe to my channel, and down below there is also bell notification button. Go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing, guys, right? Yep, this is all about for today, right? So thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye, guys.